So initially I was in the market for an in-ground pool. I got a couple of quotes and the best price I could find was roughly $50,000. That hit a little bit hard in the pocketbook. Started looking around, I found this above ground Crestwood. So when I finally made my decision, I got the above ground Crestwood pool, the surrounding deck, the deck refurbed attached to my house, the playset for the same price as the in-ground pool. The installation process was very simple. Once I made the decision, they called me, they arranged the day, they came in, I didn't have to do any prep work. They came in, did the job, it was done in a day. After that, I just had to bring the water truck in and fill it up. I can't say enough about the customer service. Crestwood's been phenomenal. And if I ever needed anything, I just reach out and call and they respond quickly. Not having to dig up my yard was important to me because that's extra work that I didn't have to deal with. The installation that they provided, they came in, leveled the ground and put in the pool. It was very simple and there was very little impact to the overall property. The maintenance is actually way better than I anticipated. It's very simple to maintain. As you can see, it's very blue, crystal clear. So I'm in my 7th year now with the Crestwood, and the quality of the construction, the foam insulation along with the wood paneling creates an efficiency factor I didn't know existed with a pool. That combined with the solar cover, I usually turn the heater on early in the spring just to get it up to temp, and I don't have to touch it. I don't have to turn the heater on the rest of the summer. So, along with the durability that you can see, Crestwood came with 5-year guarantee along with an additional 25-year warranty, which just gives me a lot of peace of mind. Well, having the Crestwood pool has definitely enhanced the summer experience for us around here. I have 2 small children and they use the pool all the time. It's also great for hosting parties with the deck. I bring the grills out, we have a great time, and it's just been a pleasure to own, and who doesn't want a vacation home right where they live all the time? So that's what I have.